a suite at One&Only Le St-Geran here in Mauritius, and look, they give two kinds of umbrellas. That's a first. They also, in this suite, you have two bathrooms. One enormous bathroom with a big shower, push button, so sensible, and a very impressive entertainment centre with a drawer. And both rooms, the sitting room and the bedroom, open up onto a private terrace, and the colour just flows through from the bedroom, from the sitting room with its pale green touches, onto the terrace and onto the green of the grass and the blue beyond of the ocean. It all actually just flows. And I'm walking along the terrace, which has a sofa and which has two beautiful lounges. Listen to the birds, you can hear the birds. And now I'm in the bedroom, and here we've got the colour that I mentioned, the soft blues and the soft greens that are coming in from outside so sensibly. And there are shutters, easy pull shutters behind the bed with the blues and the greens. And we're into the main bathroom, and this is seriously significant. Look at the bathtub here, and great lighting and Obama toiletries here at Le St-Geran, Mauritius.